Here is how to install an Oasis XP. Using your site-specific drawings from Oasis. Lay out your transition box and wall bracket locations. Set up a laser level to help mark a chalk line on both walls of the bay. Be sure to make the chalk line long enough to measure all wall brackets. Using a tape measure and the chalk line. Measure from the floor to the level line to determine the highest point of the bay floor. The smallest measurement will be your highest point. That measurement will determine the placement of the transition box and the wall brackets. After reviewing your site-specific drawings, and after finding the measurements for the wall brackets and transition box, you are now ready to start cutting the hole out for the transition box. Start by marking a 21 inch by 21 inch square. Hammer drill a hole in each corner of the square all the way through the wall. Now using a concrete blade, saw between the holes. Once that is done, chisel out the remaining blocks. Next, with the transition box installed, you are now ready to hang wall brackets. There are two different wall brackets, straights and offsets. The offset wall bracket will go on the control side of the bay, the same side as the transition box. Start by drilling one of the bottom holes with a 1/2 inch hammer bit. Once one hole is drilled, slide one of the provided 1/2 inch all thread through the wall bracket and wall. Level the wall bracket before marking and drilling the other holes for the wall bracket. Once you have the wall bracket leveled and all holes have been drilled through the wall for the wall bracket, place the backer plates on the opposite side of the wall bracket onto the all thread. Tightening the wall bracket will take 2 people to tighten effectively. Once all wall brackets are leveled and hung, you will be ready to hang rails.